Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel American Money School. Our today's topic is how money grows while you sleep.
Imagine the freedom of knowing your money is working tirelessly in the background, actively growing as you focus on what truly matters. Picture this: while you're enjoying your morning coffee or spending time with loved ones, your investment is steadily increasing in value, completely independent of your efforts. This is the power of passive income, a concept that not only liberates you from the grind but also opens doors to new opportunities. By understanding and mastering this, you'll not just be a spectator in the game of wealth, you'll become a key player. Embrace this mindset, and let your money create a life you've always desired. You might wonder how to transition from a traditional mindset to embracing this passive income revolution. It starts with a shift in perspective. See your savings not as a safety net but as a springboard for growth. Begin by setting aside a portion of your income regularly, no matter how small. Over time, those small contributions can accumulate into a significant investment portfolio, working tirelessly on your behalf. Each dollar you allocate to your financial future is like planting a seed. With patience and nurturing, it can blossom into a wealth-generating tree, providing fruit for years to come. Investing isn't just for the wealthy, it's an opportunity for everyone willing to take that first step. As you begin this journey, keep in mind that consistency is your greatest ally. Even if you start small, the key is to make investing a habit. Consider enrolling in financial literacy courses or following trusted experts. Knowledge will empower your decisions. Remember, every successful investor started from somewhere, often with a meager amount. Celebrate your milestones, however minor they seem, as each step brings you closer to where you want to be. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who see the value in passive wealth accumulation, because support and inspiration can significantly enhance your journey. As you build confidence, don't shy away from exploring diverse investment options beyond stocks or index funds. Delving into real estate or digital assets can also yield incredible results. The path to financial stability is paved with informed choices and persistence. Let's examine the first way money works for you while you sleep: stock and index funds. Imagine investing in a diverse array of companies that not only thrive but also appreciate in value over time. As these businesses grow, so does your initial investment, reflecting their success directly in your portfolio. With every passing day, your wealth expands, creating the kind of financial security that transforms dreams into reality. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll discover that financial freedom isn't just a distant dream, but a tangible reality waiting for you to claim it. The journey to wealth requires commitment, but the rewards are abundant, and your future self will thank you for taking action today.